The Andromeda Galaxy. Hello and welcome to AWZ. In this episode, we are discussing about the mysteries of Andromeda Galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy. One of the galaxies that is most similar to our own Milky Way galaxy is called the Andromeda Galaxy, which is sometimes referred to as M31 or NGC 224. It is part of the Local Group, which is a cluster of around 50 galaxies that includes the Milky Way and the Triangulum Galaxy. Its distance from Earth is roughly 2.5 million light-years, and it may be found in the constellation Andromeda. With a diameter of around 220,000 light-years, the galaxy known as Andromeda is the biggest member of the Local Group. Al-Sufi, a Persian astronomer, was the first person to find the Andromeda Galaxy in 964 AD. He described it as a small cloud at the time of his discovery. After some time had passed, in the year 1612, the German astronomer Simon Marius used a telescope to examine Andromeda. He then published his findings, which included a sketch of the galaxy. Nevertheless, it wasn't until the 20th century that astronomers understood the actual magnitude of Andromeda and its significance in gaining a better understanding of the universe. The magnitude of the Andromeda Galaxy is undoubtedly one of its most fascinating characteristics. As was stated, its diameter is around 220,000 light-years, which places it approximately in the same ballpark as the Milky Way in terms of size. Because of this, Andromeda is the most massive galaxy in the Local Group and one of the most massive galaxies in the observable universe. It is also the largest galaxy in the Local Group. In comparison to the Milky Way, which is thought to contain an estimated 100 billion stars, it is believed that Andromeda is home to between 1 and 2 trillion stars. In addition to individual stars, the galaxy is home to an incredible number of star clusters, nebulae, and other astronomical objects. The structure of Andromeda is also a fascinating feature of this planet. Andromeda is made up of the same components that make up every other galaxy: a central bulge, a disk of stars and gas, and spiral arms that radiate outward from the disk. On the other hand, the structure of Andromeda is more obvious than the structure of the Milky Way. The galaxy has a center bulge that is more noticeable and spiral arms that are both thicker and more distinct. Additionally, the disk of the Andromeda Galaxy is distorted, which is evidence that it has interacted with the disks of other galaxies in the past. Andromeda's speed is one of the most outstanding qualities that sets it apart from other planets. Andromeda is traveling through space at the same speed as the Milky Way, but it is approaching our galaxy at a speed of approximately 110 kilometers per second. Andromeda is approaching the Milky Way at a rate of around 500,000 years per century if it continues moving at its current speed. This indicates that Andromeda and the Milky Way will eventually collide and merge together to form a bigger galaxy in around 4 billion years from now. This event, which is referred to as the collision of the Andromeda and Milky Way galaxies, has been the focus of a great deal of scientific inquiry and discussion. For a very long time, the Andromeda Galaxy has been a source of intrigue for both professional astronomers and amateur stargazers. Technology has advanced to a point in recent years where it has made it possible for scientists to investigate the galaxy in greater detail than ever before. For instance, astronomical instruments such as the Hubble Space Telescope and the Spitzer Space Telescope have taken breathtaking pictures of the composition and characteristics of the planet Andromeda. These photos have uncovered previously unknown information regarding the makeup of the galaxy, such as the existence of a supermassive black hole at the galaxy's galactic core. Andromeda is significant in our culture in addition to being significant to our understanding of the universe. There have been several works of science fiction and pieces of popular culture that have made reference to the galaxy. It has encouraged creative types such as writers, filmmakers, and painters to ponder the possibility of life existing in other galaxies and on other planets. In conclusion, the Andromeda Galaxy is an intriguing entity that has piqued the interest of scientists as well as the general public. It is one of the most interesting objects in the cosmos because of the combination of its size, structure, and speed. It is possible that as our knowledge of Andromeda and the universe in general continues to expand, we will be able to find the answers to some of the most fundamental questions concerning our existence and our place in the cosmos. Here is a list of the mysteries surrounding the Andromeda Galaxy. 1. Andromeda is a spiral galaxy that is located around 2.5 million light-years away from Earth and can be seen with the naked eye from our home planet. 2. The name derives from the Greek mythological princess Andromeda, who was sacrificed to the sea monster Cetus by being shackled to a rock and thrown into the ocean. 3. Andromeda is the galaxy that is located closest to our own Milky Way, and both of them are members of the group of galaxies known as the Local Group. 4. It is estimated that it has 1 trillion stars, which is twice as many as are found in our Milky Way galaxy. 5. The Andromeda Galaxy is approaching our galaxy at a pace of approximately 110 kilometers per second. 6. In approximately 4 billion years, it is anticipated that our Milky Way galaxy will collide with the Andromeda Galaxy, resulting in a stunning cosmic event. 7. The mass of the Andromeda Galaxy's central black hole is approximately 140 million times greater than that of our Sun. 8. The galactic core is encircled by a halo of extremely hot gas that can reach a distance of 1 million times the distance to the edge of the galaxy. 9. Andromeda is surrounded by a number of other galaxies known as satellite galaxies, some of which include M32, NGC 205, and NGC 221. 10. Observations of the galaxy have revealed that it possesses a dark matter halo, the size of which is far greater than the visible matter that is present in the galaxy. 11. The presence of a large number of young, burning stars within Andromeda's spiral arms gives the galaxy its characteristic bluish hue. 12. The Persian astronomer Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi was the one who made the initial discovery of the galaxy in the year 964. 13. In 2010, the Hubble Space Telescope took a picture of the Andromeda Galaxy that was the largest one yet taken of it. The picture had more than 100 million individual stars. 14. When astronomers are researching galaxies that are much further away, they frequently utilize Andromeda as a point of reference. 15. It is believed that the tremendous amount of star formation in this galaxy is the source of the powerful radiation that it produces, which includes ultraviolet and X-rays. 16. Andromeda is home to a number of stellar nurseries, which are regions rich in clouds of gas and dust that are responsible for the birth of new stars. 17. The galaxy is assumed to have developed its prominent center bulge as a result of the merger of several smaller galaxies. 18. It has been noticed that Andromeda's rotation curve increases outwards rather than decreases, which suggests the presence of dark matter. 19. It is estimated that the age of the galaxy is greater than 10 billion years. 20. It is home to a variety of nebulae that can be seen with the naked eye, such as the Andromeda Nebula and the Trifid Nebula. 21. One of the first galaxies to be investigated for its Doppler shift, which enabled astronomers to determine its speed and motion. Andromeda was one of those galaxies. 22. The galaxy has a low metallicity, which indicates that it does not have a significant quantity of heavy elements in comparison to the number of elements that are lighter. 23. A number of recent investigations have brought up the possibility that the center of Andromeda is home to not just one but two different kinds of black holes. 24. The galaxy is frequently utilized as a reference point in the process of establishing the rate of expansion of the universe and measuring the distances spanning the cosmos. 25. It has been thoroughly investigated using a variety of wavelengths, such as radio, infrared, ultraviolet, and X-rays, among others. 26. The Andromeda Galaxy is home to a good number of globular clusters, which are dense collections of very old stars that revolve around the galactic core. 27. The Andromeda Satellite Galaxy M32 is connected with at least 9 different star clusters that have been discovered so far. 28. It is believed that gravitational interactions with the galaxy's smaller satellite galaxies are responsible for maintaining the spiral structure of the galaxy. 29. The distance that between Earth and Andromeda has been determined using a number of different methodologies, including its Cepheid variables, planetary nebulae, and globular clusters. 30. In 2017, astronomers made the discovery that a dwarf galaxy was colliding with Andromeda, which will result in the expansion of Andromeda's halo over the course of time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel AWZ News.